Hey, future millionaires. My name is Ernest, and welcome to today's free course on YouTube automation with AI. Imagine creating a YouTube channel without showing your face, letting AI do most of the work, and earning passive income in the process. AI has completely revolutionized YouTube automation, and this new method will blow your mind. Best of all? This course is 100% free. People charge thousands of dollars for content like this, but my mission is free education for everyone. All I ask is for you to hit that like button for the YouTube algorithm and subscribe to my channel so I can keep creating free courses like this. Now, let's dive in. So why YouTube automation? The beauty of it is that you don't need to show your face or even spend hours creating content. Plus, there's no limit to how much money you can make. With the AI tool I'm about to show you, you can create engaging videos faster and easier than ever before, even if you're a total beginner. Here's what we'll cover in today's free course. 1. Picking the perfect niche for your channel. 2. Creating clickable thumbnails. 3. Starting a YouTube channel from scratch. Writing irresistible titles. Your thumbnail, title and description are the three most important part of your video. Ranking your videos in YouTube search. This including the process of keyword research, optimizing your video's title, relevant tags, add closed captions and using A/B/C testing. Growing your channel fast. This requires consistency, avoid copyright violations and work. 7. Most importantly, getting monetized and earning passive income. By the end, you'll have everything you need to launch a faceless YouTube channel that can generate real income. Let's get started. First things first, picking a niche. The niche can be broad or narrow, you can niche down or up. This I cover in my advanced course because each requires different strategy. Your niche is the foundation of your YouTube channel, so choose something you're at least somewhat interested in or that market demands since it's a faceless channel. For example, I wouldn't start a channel about sports because I know nothing about it. However, you could niche down by focusing on a particular sport. I have channels on health, travel, finance, history, business and geopolitics and military technology. I'm not a military man, but I love the military. Even though AI does most of the work, your interest in the topic will help you choose better ideas and stay consistent. Need inspiration? Here are some top niches for faceless YouTube channels. Motivation. This is a very good niche, but you must do it right. Travel is evergreen niche because people are always traveling and it has a good RPM, revenue per mil or thousand. Also CPM is high with ads. Tech reviews, evergreen because tech products are never sized to come out. 4. Education finance. Finance is evergreen because we all deal with money every day, i.e. budgeting, savings, investing, retirement, expenses control, etc. History. This is another great area people are making killing on with short forms videos. And if you want even more ideas, just hop over to ChatGPT. It's free, and you can type, "Give me 100 ideas for faceless YouTube channels." The possibilities are endless. Now, let's create your first video. I recently discovered an amazing tool called InVideo AI, although pricey, but it's worth it. Their latest version of 3.0 is the best. Another less pricey AI tool is Pictory with affordable prices. InVideo is a game changer. It lets you type in a sentence and within minutes, it creates a full faceless video for you. Here's how it works. 2. Type in a topic and instructions. 2. Let's try traveling in Greece. 3. Select the YouTube explainer workflow. Choose the video length, at least 10 minutes for maximum ad revenue, and customize details like tone and music. After a few minutes, the AI generates a professional video, complete with stock footage, voiceovers, and background music. For example, I created a video about the best islands to visit in Greece, and here's what it looks like. If you want to tweak anything, you can easily edit the video in InVideo. Think of AI as your co-worker. It does the heavy lifting, and you add your personal touch to make it even better. Your video's thumbnail and title are just as important as the content itself. They're the first things people see. A great thumbnail gets the click, and a strong title seals the deal. For thumbnails, I recommend using Canva. It's free and super beginner friendly. 1. Download a high-quality image from a site like Pexels, or use AI like Midjourney or Leonardo AI to create one. 2. Upload it to Canva and customize it with bold, readable text. 3. Add elements like icons or graphics to make it pop. Remember, 90% of YouTube viewers watch on their phones, so make sure your text is big and easy to read. For titles, keep them short, clear, and keyword-rich. For example, instead of Top 5 Islands in Greece, try something like The 5 Best Greek Islands You Must Visit. Use tools like ChatGPT to brainstorm ideas and test what works best. Starting a new YouTube channel takes just minutes. 1. Log in with your Gmail account and click Create a Channel. 2. Use a tool like Zarla.com, Leonardo AI, Midjourney among others to create a faceless logo for your profile picture. 3. Write a keyword-rich channel description to tell viewers and YouTube what your channel is about. When uploading your video, 1. Use a strong title and description. 2. Add as many relevant tags as possible. 3. Set your video to public and hit publish. Before your video goes live, YouTube will run a check on it to make sure it complies with their monetization policy if you're monetized. Congrats! You've just posted your first video. Here's a secret to growing your channel fast. Don't rely on YouTube alone. Use other platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, and Pinterest to drive traffic to your channel. In video, AI can even create short-form content for you, perfect for these platforms. For example, upload a 60-second snippet of your Greece travel video to TikTok with a link to the full video in your bio. Instagram Reels and Pinterest are also great for beginners because their algorithms push new creators. And Pinterest is a search engine, so your content can get discovered without a huge following. Now, let's talk about making money. To get monetized, your channel needs 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Once you hit these milestones, you can apply for the YouTube Partner Program and start earning ad revenue. But be careful because YouTube has zero tolerance for copyright. If they strike your content for copyright violation, it'll delay your channel from being monetized for 30 days. But most importantly, even when you're monetized, if you post a video that is not in line with your channel theme, YouTube will demonetize your channel. If you appeal, they will give you 90 days to reapply. But that's just the beginning. Faceless YouTube channels are digital assets. They continue to earn money long after they're posted. With consistent uploads, you can create a portfolio of videos generating passive income for years to come. Channel called How to Market Your Online Store, but instead of selling a product, you are selling the YouTube channel and trying to get people to your YouTube channel. So it's the same psychology, same techniques that I use for my business that I use for my YouTube channel. For me, that's been the key to growing 2 successful YouTube channels in less than a year. So hopefully this explanation helped. So let's talk about how you can get monetized on YouTube even with content like this faceless. And there you have it. Everything you need to start a successful faceless YouTube channel with AI. From picking your niche to creating videos, thumbnails, and growing your channel, the tools and strategies are all here for you. Remember, this process takes time and consistency, but the potential rewards are life-changing. Imagine turning your YouTube channel into a source of passive income while letting AI handle the hard work. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe so I can continue creating free courses like this. Thanks for watching, and I can't wait to see you on your journey to becoming a YouTube millionaire.